In this video, we're going to uncover when to drink apple cider vinegar. Hi, I'm Dr. Zarowski from NewVisionExcel.com. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that little bell notification, join our notification community, and I'm going to help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about when to drink apple cider vinegar. This is a very common question that we get in the comment section because many people know the benefits that apple cider vinegar really offers to them. You know, some of them include balancing your pH, lowering your blood sugar, supporting weight loss, supporting digestion, the whole deal. And so when we look at apple cider vinegar, many people want to get the absolute maximum benefit out of it. And so what I'm going to teach you is a couple strategies around when to consume apple cider vinegar for maximum benefit. And then I'll also teach you one thing that you need to watch out for when consuming apple cider vinegar. And at the end of the video, I'll share with you my different apple cider vinegar drinks, which are really excellent. Now, the first thing I want to tell you before we get into these strategies here is that apple cider vinegar is not an all or nothing approach. It's not that if you don't drink it at a particular time, you'll get no benefit. You'll always get a benefit from it, but there's a few strategies, like I mentioned, that are going to allow you to get maximum benefit. So let's jump into the first one here, and that's first thing in the morning. When people consume apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning, they really feel energized from it. You know, they consume it before coffee, consume it before breakfast, and then as a result of that, they feel energized because it balances their pH. It also helps balance their electrolytes if you add a little sea salt to your apple cider vinegar. And it also can even support some detox if you add some lemon with sea salt as well. So first thing in the morning is a really great strategy, and many people like that as it helps them feel energized and ready for their day. The next strategy here is fasting. This is one that I really like to use, and the reason for it is because apple cider vinegar is very satiating. It's going to help increase satiety. And what that means is that while you're fasting and you get those hunger pains that pop up and are really, really strong, what it's going to do is just help you really decrease those hunger pains, feel that, you can go much longer without a meal and give you that support that you need. It also is going to support balancing your blood sugar. So if you drink apple cider vinegar during fasting, it'll support that, have that blood sugar balancing effect and offer you some support in that way. The next strategy here is before meals. Now this one's actually really great, and it's for a couple reasons. Because apple cider vinegar, for one, is going to help decrease your blood sugar. So if you consume apple cider vinegar before your meal, post-meal you'll typically have lower blood sugar as a result of doing so. Now the other thing that apple cider vinegar does here is it helps the body become more sensitive to insulin, which means that your body is going to more efficiently shuttle insulin into the cell. Now, last thing I want to mention about drinking apple cider vinegar before meals, and that is that it's going to support the digestive process. So if you're eating some starchy carbs, if you're eating meat, then it's going to help break down that food and support your digestion. Last here is before bed. Now, the reason apple cider vinegar is really great before bed is because when you drink apple cider vinegar at the end of the day, after you're done eating, after you've had your last meal of the day, what it's going to do is just help create balance throughout the body. People who consume apple cider vinegar at night before bed, what they find is that they're able to sleep better. They're not getting that stomach acid that can sometimes come up and burn your throat. And the other thing is that when they look at their blood sugar in the morning, their blood sugar is typically lower as a result of consuming apple cider vinegar before bed. So that's a powerful strategy to help just create balance at the end of the day in your body. So what I wanted to tell you to watch out for when it comes to consuming apple cider vinegar is that if you drink it and you get an intense burning in your gut, then there's a good chance that you could have an ulcer. And so if you're someone who's drinking apple cider vinegar and you're just holding your gut going, oh my goodness, how could people do this? It hurts so bad. Then there's a good chance you got that ulcer. So take a step back and really focus on healing your gut. Other than that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. So we have the apple cider vinegar fasting drink and then some of my top apple cider vinegar drinks that I like to consume. If you have any questions, put it in the comments section below. Share with me your apple cider vinegar drink, and when you like to drink apple cider vinegar, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.